To the CryptoNest. So this is what it looks like in the morning in my computer. All the alarms, which is sometimes great, sometimes not. All right, so yesterday I tried to post some news, what I was watching. I had a few extra time, and yeah, I really took the time because I do find it was important, right? Now I honestly don't find that it's super conclusive. Unfortunately, I would have loved to see 5-way up. We did that 3. Actually, we had 4. And fine, we did add this 5th one, but it's a very shallow. We didn't even reach the 1.618, and which we should at least reach the 2.236. So now I'm looking more if indeed this was a 1, 2, and 3, and this is the A. We just did the B, and we are doing the C. So let's see if that could work out. That would be much more bullish and really send a nice signal that we have strong 5-way up. We did a, well, once again, this is 15 minutes, right? But it's kind of short for a wave 2. I don't know if I can say short, but at least this 4th wave, it's stretching, allegedly 4th wave. Unfortunately, the other scenario is, that's why it's important that the 5th wave go higher, because it's going to make it easier to say, well, this is more, now we do have a first sign of bullishness. Here it's so mild that I cannot say that. Should we have got to the 2.38, then yeah, okay, I would tell you, okay, this is a clear sign of maybe reversal of trend. We do have 5 nice wave up, and on top of that, we did break with no with ease, let's say, this resistance. But now, unfortunately, this is not it, because if I think it moved out. I think it did move a little bit. You know what? Let me take. So if I take the movement here, okay, so I'm taking all the movement. As you can see, we did react perfectly to the 0.618, and now we are huddling to the 0.5 fib retracement. And unfortunately, yeah, it's not as crystal clear. So today it's going to be a challenging day for Bitcoin. Either manage to do another higher wave, otherwise we need to brace for another maybe lower low. Let's see. Now I didn't check anything, so Coinbase. Let's see Coinbase what it's doing. So I think last month, I don't know, remember when, I did tell you I was looking for this, right? For this level that would have been the ideal retracement. Well, now we are there. So let me get out from the 15 minutes though. Okay, so it could go lower. Actually did go up to 161. This would have been a very nice level to accumulate indeed. And once again, you need to notice that the price where it stopped here, it's exactly where we had some support here and some resistance here. So once again, when we were expecting price to go lower, well, for sure there is the fibs, but after that you need to check if there is something yeah, like, support and resistance that could hold the price, and in this case it did hold there. Still, there is still a chance it can go to the 0.618 because this was diagonal. It doesn't have to. It's going to depend on Bitcoin. Now let me scroll down. I'm a little bit stressed now. Let's go see our hut. Did I put it here or was on the other one? So hot still didn't move. Let me go on miners. I think yesterday I thought that I did add another hot there. Or maybe I erased the other one and I put the American one. Let's go and check it out. So this is supposed to be, this is the Neo. Okay, let me go back on the stocks then. Okay, so this is the Neo. This is TSX. I thought I added the, okay, here you go. Okay, let me put it higher with the others one. And I guess I can delete one eventually. Let's see how did it do now. So didn't want to do that. So yesterday, where are we? I think today did they already open? I don't think so. Let's go on the 5 minutes maybe. Are we the 6? We are. So it's steady at this level for the moment. So let me go on the daily now just to have an idea. What did we do? Yesterday we opened at this level. We went pretty much bent down to a 0.786. And after that, now we kind of recover for the day. Now it looks like we open here at 1205 or somewhere near there, and now we're going a little bit lower. Okay, so as long as we can keep this level, no, I'm fine with that. Let me just double check if I didn't do any mistake. Yeah, okay. So, but it's very important to not lose the 0.786, and actually, it's holding well. Pretty amazed. Eventually, the Canadian one, it should go, or maybe this one did go. Let me see here. 6, okay. So we are in business. Well, now this is kind of cheating, right? Do you remember what are the odds? Okay, I wasn't even aware that there was a holiday. I guess this is a new holiday. Okay, now I need to do a follow-up on the comments because I had quite a lot. Okay, I have one. I should have sold when it was $28, I believe, in these stocks. Yeah, well, no, this is always the difficult part. We believe in something, and then we don't want to let go. But then after maybe we do, or we're scared that if it doesn't go lower, we miss out. So I believe this is maybe a practice to, I don't know, maybe just sell 1%. And so even if price keep going, you don't feel that you're missing so much. Sorry, I'm taking a sip of coffee now. Okay, so yeah, maybe anyway, I remember I do feel exactly what you're saying, and it's practice. It's practice, and it's really important to have maybe two portfolio, one short term, one long term. So now, with this move, I think I'm going to have between 10 and 15% more share of hot than I had when we had this peak. So this is how now I try to manage. Yes, I did sold 20%, but you could start to just sell 1%. So once again, if price keep going higher, you don't really mind. It's only 1%, but it's give you a practice. And then if that 1% can become 2 or 3%, that's amazing. It's baby steps. And honestly, it's been many years that I do trading, and it takes quite a lot of time to detach yourself from FOMO. And even if, let's say, I would have sold here and then hot would have skyrocketed another 10%, I wouldn't have cared. At one certain point, at the end, it's just money. We will find something else. There is always something. So but we need to practice on that. Let me see if I have Okay, so someone asked for LTC. I will see if I can do a review on that. I think pretty much all. Okay, so someone, yeah, thank you for the feedbacks. I think I'm not going to attempt to say the name. Haven Gwain, sorry if I misspell it. Yeah, he said civic holiday in Canada, and then another one also. I wasn't aware of this holiday. Do you remember what did I say on Friday? I said it would be amazing if Bitcoin can do its pullback during the weekends. Now I wasn't even aware that we were going to have a long weekend, so that's amazing for that. Now, I mean, now it's a little bit of cheating because should I take this chart without the holiday or should I take this one? Well, this one it looks much better. I mean, we had the 5-way up. We had yeah, this what is this? This was a wishful thinking of an ABC, which we didn't had. So I'm going to take it out now. So it would have just let me maybe go on the 4 hours. Maybe we can try to attempt to see, I don't know, a 5-wave down. I think I already said that once, because yeah, I'm not sure. I wanna call that a wave one here, a wave 1, 2. This could have been the 3, 4, and this is the 5, or something like that. But it doesn't really matter. This is micro counting. Once again, what's important are really the levels, right? So for this one, I guess I can clean up a little bit the chart. So we do have some more room now, and once again, this is the Canadian one. So we never went to that level. Actually, let me go and check on. Did we? I didn't even notice that the MA 200 was here. So that's good. Now the first thing we need to check, it's well, hopefully, you know, Bitcoin is done with this correction, so it will not continue to drag the price down and the altcoins down. So first thing first, we need to see a reaction to this downtrend, and I am on the 1 hour. We only have 2 touching points. Okay, maybe 3 here, but you know, it's very, very minimal and not a super, how you say that? Now I have a blank. Reliable one. Let me take another sip of coffee. Sorry, guys. Okay, so yeah, I want to see this trend breaking. So this is why I'm going to put an alarm, and I'm going to put, pay attention. Not going to erase everything, just that. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for now. Now the other things, I don't know if yesterday did I cover other things because my internet was very slow. At the end, it was just the, I guess the router. Just had to restart it. Let me go on the 4 hours. I did mention to you guys a micro strategy. It could have done this ABC. Well, I mean, yesterday it did reach bend on the 0.786, 1024, and ideally we would go to 886. Could we go lower? Yes, we do have the 0.5 at 785, and also because I believe our wave 3 was a 3-wave. A, B, C, so that's a diagonal. Diagonal can go as low as the 0.618, the $632. So that's another one. Well, it's no coincidence that price it did stop here. First of all, we have the fibs, wave A to wave C, 0.786, and also the MA 200 acted as a support. Actually, this was a very nice accumulation level, but you know, Canadians could have done it. Actually, it's American, so that would be okay. And that's the trick with stocks, right? Stocks are closed, they have holidays, you know, nighttime, they need bedtime. What the hell, man? We are in 2024 and crypto's there 24/7. So this is why would I even bother to invest in stocks? You know, I wanna make work my money and pull out my money when I want, even if other people are sleeping, even if it's a holiday, because life out there doesn't stop. And I know it sucks. What is it? US it's K01, I believe. In Canada it's TFSA. So yeah, we go and we put our stocks there, but you know, yesterday I missed out, honestly, because I could have reaccumulate more, because I did keep a little bit of money aside in case it would go lower. And yeah, yesterday would have been a perfect timing. And yeah, it's unfortunate, but I think anyway now I'm going to start to accumulate more again. I think I'm going to scale in back, and what I do honestly, it's I compartmentalize the if you want the money or the profits, right? So if I invested $1,000 in HUT, and I say 20%, so I have $200. So I kind of keep track of that $200 and I monitor how much I bought. So maybe here I bought, I'm just doing example for $1,000. So maybe I bought for 400, you say $200, yeah. So let's say I buy, I don't know, $50 or $80 at one level, then it goes lower, I buy another $50 and stuff like that. So now I think I have still a couple $100. So I'm going to just complete my my repurchase, and I'm going to be done. That's pretty much how I do it. All right, 17 minutes. That's a long video. Yeah, it's pretty much. Oh, I'm not saying that the correction is done. Okay, so it's looking good. 55,000. I take it, but it's not that. Oh my goodness, we ideally, once again, we would go much higher. We need to go around almost 60,000, or yeah, definitely higher than the 1.618 to have a very nice convincing one. Once again, technically the fifth wave, it's completed, it's done in its, I mean, its object is, the target of the fifth wave is just to make a higher high compared to the third one, which it did, but it's not a convincing one. So I would love if maybe all this is just a fourth wave. And you know what, since I'm here, and let me do the 1-to-1 ratio. So since we did a higher B wave, what would be the level for the 1-to-1 ratio? Let me move it here. Let's go and take wave C left. All right, so 53 to 80, it's okay. As you can see now, honestly, we perfectly react to the 0.618. So I'm going to keep monitoring this level now. Can we reach the 53,000 to 60? That would be kind of a deal. Now, if we go lower, it's going to be, it's going to start to be a problem, because, well, first of all, sometimes it can go lower, 1.618, but then it would pretty much invalidate the third wave. And once again, we cannot go below 52,337 because it starts to invalidate the fourth wave. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day.